Alright guys, so I'm going to show you how to make a homemade oil pump screen installation tool. It's really simple to do. All you need is an old wrench and a bolt. So the size of wrench that you're going to need is going to be driven by the tube size or the tube diameter on your pump screen. A lot of times you just need a 5/8 wrench, but this one actually is 3/4, so that's what I'm going to be using here, is a 3/4 wrench. And all I'm going to do is just cut the end of this wrench off right in this area, and then I'm going to come in and I'm going to weld this bolt right on to that section there, and then I'll have something to drive. I'll be able to drive on the head of the bolt and then drive that oil pump screen into the oil pump. So you can get away with putting it on like this and then just driving with a hammer out here on the end of the wrench, but I like to get this bolt and weld it on there so that you can get more force right at the tube itself. So like I said, really easy to do. Once I get the opened end of the wrench cut off, the first thing that I'll do is I'll just deburr the edge here where I cut it off, just to get rid of any sharp edges. The other thing that I'll do is I'll grind a little bit of metal off the face of the opened end there, just to kind of make a little bit cleaner area for welding. And then I'll just take the bolt that I'm going to use and we'll basically attach the two here by welding them together. In terms of the length of the bolt, I think this one's about 4.5, 5 inches long. You can basically use whatever length that you want based on the oil pump pickup that you're needing to install. You just want to make sure that you have enough length here that nothing gets in the way when you start doing the hammering. So I'm just going to get ready here, and like I said, I'm just going to weld these two pieces together, and then that should be the tool. We should be ready to use it. Alright, so there you have it. Just a quick and easy homemade oil pump pickup installation tool. So when we get to the point where we're ready to actually do the installation, we'll just take the oil pump pickup screen and we will insert it into the bore of the oil pump, and we'll take our tool and we'll just slide it right over the pickup tube, and then we'll be able to drive this in nice and square.